Are you wondering what you should look for when buying watercolor paper? Here are a few things that can help you when choosing the watercolor paper that is right for your needs. Whether you're looking to buy a sketchbook, a block, or a single sheet of paper, you might want to find out this coming point. When I go out sketching, I always try to bring with me a sketchbook that has some percentage of cotton in the paper. Why is this important? And especially if you work in watercolor. We're not talking about gouache or acrylics here. Usually, the highest the cotton content, the easiest it will be to paint watercolor on it. 100% cotton paper tends to be the ultimate best because of the absorbency of the surface. This gives you more working time for your mixes and wet-on-wet applications, and it's just a joy to paint on. Also, 100% cotton is famous for its durability and permanence, making them the best choice if you want to create a fine art piece that will last. So cotton percentage is our first point. It goes usually from 25 up to 100, but whatever the percentage, you'll enjoy working on it so much more. This next point is quite straightforward. Paper come in different thickness and texture. As a rule of thumb, thicker paper will bend and warp less, especially if you like to use a lot of water. My favorite is 300 grams. Or 140 pounds. Texture is a matter of preference. Paper comes in hot press or smooth, cold press or medium texture, and rough. Aside from retaining or not brush marks, the rougher the paper, the easier it is to get textural marks. This choice also affects the workability of your surface. Rough paper dries slower, which gives you a longer working time, but also less precise strokes. And it's for these reasons that it is the preferred type of paper for artists that likes to paint more loosely. On the opposite side, smooth paper is very popular between artists that do lots of floral paintings or illustrations, as it gives you more precisions, and I found eventually slightly brighter colors. Now you know what to look for when buying watercolor paper. Next thing you need to know for good watercolor paintings is what I'm talking about in this video right here. Check it out.